Their commitment to doing this work is comparable to really nothing else that we do. These guys are ready to go, drop of a hat. I mean, I've had them leave family parties, Saturday, Sunday, already work a normal shift, eating dinner with their family, come back out. What we do at Miller Pipeline is we have a couple contracts set up with some utilities and some municipalities where we are their contractor 24/7, 365 for any emergency or maintenance needs. So that could be scheduled work where we have some routine maintenance that needs to be done, like changing out B boxes or valves that control mains, or that could be, you know, several water main breaks at 1, 2, 3 in the morning in the middle of winter, you know, upwards of 5 to 10 crews. Something that was very attractive for me doing this work as a laborer when I started early in my career was when you're done at the end of the day and you climb out of the hole soaking wet, filled with mud, neighbors are out because people, you know, when you're out of water, you can't wash your dishes, you cannot flush your toilet, you can't take a shower, you can't take a bath. 1, 2 hours of that isn't a big deal, but 8, 9, 10 hours of that, it'll disgruntle anyone. That being said, you become a hero when you come out. I mean, the job that we're doing right now, the lady came out with a bunch of water and snacks for our guys. They really appreciate it. So it means a lot to the guys. It's an extra driver, you know, that you got people who are supporting you and they appreciate what you're doing. Miller and these great companies that we work with, our sister companies, we have a strong emphasis on safety, right? Sewer and water, not so much. It's get the job done, get that pipe in the ground. You know, you got to make somebody money. So what we did was getting into the water work and having the gas experience, we married the two cultures. So yeah, we still get down and guys are getting soaking wet and all that good stuff, but you know, box is going in the hole, it's getting done right. We're gonna wait for things, not rush, do it the right way, not make a mess all over the neighborhood, dumping piles of stone and dirt all over. We're gonna wait for the truck to come. Just do a nice quality job. It does become like a drive, almost like an unexplainable drive, like a competitive drive. You wanna be the one that gets out there, you wanna be the one that completes the repair. So yeah, anyways, these guys, they kill it, they're incredible. It's just a fluid, ever-changing schedule. It never stops and it's never over, but we're good at it and we like it.